Just look at you. Look at the level of shame and disgrace you both brought to this family today. Odimanu, if you must fight, why will it be at the funeral of all places?
No. I was right. Your son here, Osita, passed me by. Am I not supposed to eat and drink like every other person in that burial?
Bam.
Huh?
Yes. And Osita here passed my husband and gave food to someone at his back. Makagini.
Mbalinu.
The deceased was only a teenager and you were fighting over palm wine.
And so?
You are so
stingy, Osita. You are so stingy. You are just stingy and bury alone money. You are stingy ever.
Yes.
You are stingy here and you are stingy. With someone's burial.
Don't touch my Don't touch my wife.
Truth is better. Let me tell him. You know yella. Why are you not ashamed, Ijenu? You are not ashamed, even Pim. Truth is bitter. I will say it. He's too stingy. Come, I said. Let it be tie you down to your stomach. Ogini. Hi. Ifeleme. Mama, what did I say now? I don't say. I said you should shut up. Ogini kwa. Ogini, what is it? Why are you packing the oil as if you are the only one eating here? Eh? Am I not talking to you?
Ijenu, this is my house. No, I allow me to eat food the way I want.
And so?
Don't provoke me.
Can you two stop fighting? Must you two fight every single day?
Will you keep quiet? Huh? Are you mad?
Hey! But dear, stop it! Don't you dare shout at my daughter. What is that? In fact, you're not eating. Come on, what is that?
Ijenu.
What is that?
Ijenu, drop that yam.
You're the one eating.
Drop that yam here.
Drop what? Drop what? What is your problem?
Ijenu, don't get me angry. Drop that yam here.
I should not get you angry. What is your problem? What is it? In fact, you're not eating anything again.
Thank you, my wife.
I hope you enjoy it.
As always.
What is next?
Chisom.
Come on, sit.
Chisom, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are your parents?
They're fighting as usual.
Fighting?
Chisom, don't say that. They're your parents.
I know, but that's the truth. They're always fighting.
It's okay. Come on. Wash your hands.
Obodo Nibo Koro. Troublemaker.
You like it?
I like it here. It's very peaceful.
Come here.
I like her so much. She's very intelligent.
Very, very.
I like her.
Chisom, what's it? Come back here! Come back here! Ijenu, come back here! What is wrong? Release my child! Ijenu, what is it?
Why do you chase a child into someone else's compound and you still insist on beating her in front of the person?
Hey! Ijenu Atara Fufo. Who is talking? Because I cannot see anybody. What I'm seeing here is barren witch, barren witch. Everywhere is smelling barrenness, barrenness. Everywhere let's see barrenness, barrenness. Look at this woman. Look at this barren witch that cannot give birth to ordinary child. It's telling Mama Ijenu how to treat my own daughter. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You don't want to Maggie. Wake! That is what you are. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Remove your mouth in whatever that concerns Ijenu. If not,
What did I do to deserve this insult?
I don't understand. You did everything wrong by interfering.
She's not going anywhere. Chisom is also my child. You don't have to beat her.
Who's also your child? You want to claim my own child? I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. You don't know what it takes to bear a child. You don't know what it takes to be even pregnant. Ordinary getting pregnant. You don't know what it takes to get pregnant. I don't used to sleep at night. You don't know. Now you want to claim her. It will not work for you.
What have I done to deserve this insult?
You have done everything by not giving birth to a child. Go and bear your husband a child. What's my business? I'm not even seeing your crocodile tears. What is that one? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Go and bear your husband a child. Remove your mouth from whatever that concerns Ijenu. Makandoge. Una, makampia na Ijegi. Una, Ijenu.
Osita! Osita! What are you doing here? Huh? Listen to me. This land belongs to me. You are trying to cheat me.
Obodo, I'm not trying to cheat anyone. This portion of land belongs to me and you know it.
I know nothing. As far as I'm concerned, this particular land here belongs to me. Stay away from this. In fact, leave here now. Leave here immediately.
I should leave my life.
Yeah, I am the owner of this. In fact, if you don't leave here now, we are going to fight. Now. Leave here.
We are family. We can't fight over this.
We are not family. We are enemies. If you don't leave here now, we are going to. In fact, I want us to fight. Leave here now.
This is my land, and you know.
Who told you that this land belongs to you? But who told you that this land belongs? This land, particular land we are standing here now belongs to me. Leave here now, else I will walk.
What is wrong?
Leave my land. Leave here. Nothing is wrong. I want you to leave. This particular land we are standing here belongs. I am the rightful owner of this land, and you can't take it away from me. Leave here immediately.
Okay.
What is your problem?
Maybe you are not in the right frame of mind. Because you know this is my land.
You are not the owner of this. I am the rightful owner of this land.
You and I know this.
Okay, you are having no, let me look for a seat. You wait for me, let me come. You know, you see, wait is you want us to fight. No, you want to try me. No, Osita, you want to fight me. You sit now. No, no, I want problem. Let us fight.
No, you have to face me. You will face me. You will face me here. What is wrong with you? Give me.
Obodo, that particular portion of land belongs to your brother. Your father made it clear when he was alive. It belongs to him. It is very clear. Why are you fighting?
Clear. To who? Osita. Listen, you see that very land? That land belongs to me. If I don't have that land, there will be no peace in this family. As for you, Osita, if you don't stay clear from that land, I will show you what is more ugly than the ugliest masquerade in this kingdom. You better hear what I said. Stay clear. Respect me as your elder brother. Else, there will be no peace in this family. You heard what I said.
Hey! Hey! How did my son end up like this? am not a violent person. My late husband was never a troublesome man. In fact, he was always afraid of trouble. How can my son end up like this?
My husband, please. Let your brother have the land. I don't want any form of problems. I don't want trouble. You know how land dispute causes problem. The ones you don't even want or want to experience. Please, let him take it. It's not worth the fight. It's not worth the stress. Be cool.
You are right. Let him have it. We don't need this trouble. Let him go ahead and have it.
To top it all, he hasn't even finished farming on the lands he has. But he's dragging this one with you. Does it not show you that he's a troublemaker? A problem in human form? Ah, Pico.
My love, it's alright. I've heard what you said. I've heard you. You can go ahead and have the land. Yes, let him have it.
Let me go and make you something to eat. Oh,
please. I'm starving.
I'm coming. I'll join you soon.
Alright.
In times of want and needs, my sunshine, my all.
Ije nke naanị my beautiful wife. Take.
This one you are praising me.
I have good news for you.
Yeah. You know I love good news.
Yes.
Tell me.
Okay. Osita has finally released that land to us. You see that very land? That land is now ours.
Hey!
How are you, Mamu?
But that land belongs to Deosita.
You said what?
That land rightfully belongs to him.
If I slap you,
Look at this. There's not got into that. Calm down. Let me attend to her. What do you know? What do you know, Chisom? Listen to me, you are just a child.
Actually.
So when your parents are discussing, close your mouth. Di mama. So that land now belongs to us.
We are now the owner of that land.
Everything inside.
You see the yams, the cassava, everything
now belongs to us.
How are you, Mamuzi?
This is good news.
Yes. What are they going to do with land? Nobody. Barren people.
I don't understand it. Instead of him to concentrate on getting his wife pregnant.
Yes, on Azana. For what?
Hey! I am so happy.
Yes, so
Obodo, sometimes you sound like you lack understanding. How could you suggest that we seek help from the people of Nkani, knowing well that those people like fight? Eh? You know if you don't return help they render to you, they will come after you.
Jidenna, I will call you by your name now. Is that why you tell me that I lack understanding?
Why not? If not, why should you suggest that we seek help from Kano people?
So, Jidenna, you are not scared of what I am going to do to you? You had to go to tell me that I lack understanding?
You can't do anything. Small boy like you. You are threatening me.
You said I cannot do anything. No, Jidenna, Jidenna, you said I can. You look at me, you said I cannot do anything.
Oh, Chijokpo Tibu Edani na unpresent before, eh? Are you mad?
Obodo.
Opani mi kengo ko bo tabubo kengo. Which one? Is he your age mate?
Jidenna, Obodo. Jidenna, you.
Obodo.
So dia nu ife.
Oh, because Chijokpo we Tibu Edani.
We shall see.
Obodo, go and sit down. You can't do anything.
All right.
We shall see.
Meggy here. You.
What can I go do? Sit down.
Nora. Hey, I'm going Ijenu, bia. Ndi talaga go man Ijenu. Someone just insulted me.
Who? Nobody.
Jidenna insulted me.
In this kingdom?
In this very kingdom. One useless idiot. I am here. In fact, I want us to go and fight that idiot.
Jidenna insulted you?
Me!
Does he know
He
the husband of who you are?
He doesn't know.
And Jidenna insulted you, my husband.
Jidenna insulted me.
Come
and
show me.
Let us go and fight. Let us go and fight. Jidenna, you said I cannot do anything.
Why are you talking? How dare you insult my husband? You will keep at it.
You said I cannot do
Next time, you will not insult my husband. Don't kill me! I want to kill him. Don't kill me! It's already finished.
We have taken a lesson. So let's go. It's already finished. It's already finished. Let's go.
Leave me!
It's already finished.
I cannot believe this, Mama. I cannot believe what I heard. Ijenu and her husband, Obodo, beating a man as elderly as Jidenna. Hey! This is a height of disgrace. A height of insult. Jidenna is old enough to be their uncle. Oh yeah. This is not good. Mama, this is not good at all. I hope the elders take it easy on them because this is a grave crime in this land. They deserve whatever comes to them as a result of this. They deserve it. Respect for elders is one of our greatest laws in this community. I know. But they don't know. No, they don't. It's okay, Mama. It's fine. Oh, meanwhile, do you have any dirty clothes so I can help you wash them? Chekube, my daughter-in-law, you are always the best. Thank you, Mama. May the gods continue to bless you for me. Easy. Thank you. I have dirty clothes that are in that basket. I'll go pick them up. Oh, don't worry, oh Mama. Everything will be fine. Oh.
Biajisom, say what you want to say, please. I have important meeting I need to attend to.
My friend, shut up your mouth. I have important meeting I need to attend to. Chisom, start talking. I don't have all day, please.
Why didn't you like causing trouble in this village?
Organikwa.
You two are the talk in the entire town. Why?
Chisom, Did you just say that we two are the talk of the entire kingdom?
Yes.
Hey, that's a good thing. It means that we are now popular. Yes, it's a good thing. Let me tell you something. In this life, yes, you have to be very, very strong. If not, they will swallow you and forget about you. Yes!
No. So you're saying I should start fighting?
Why no? Don't let anybody intimidate you. Do you understand me?
Listen. Ha. My beautiful daughter, don't listen to this fool.
Ese, what did you just say?
I said, don't mind this fool.
So I'm a fool?
Yes.
What is that your name? You are calling me a fool in the presence of our daughter.
Yes, you're a fool.
I'm a fool.
Oh, yes. Will you do anything?
I come to say yes, I'm a fool.
It's okay, no.
It's okay.
No, I can't get it. Cross here. Ijenu. Just cross here. Ijenu, okay. It's okay.
Come.
Ijenu, it's okay. It's okay. Ijenu.
I'm a fool.
Ijenu. Ijenu. No, don't worry, I'm coming back.
You're running.
I'm coming back.
I don't blame you. Come here. Come and stay here. Listen to me.
Osita, my own lovely brother. Please. Biko, Wannemoko. There is no money with me. And the elder said I should pay Jidenna 30 cowries for beating him up. And I don't have any money with me, Biko. Nyalumaka, if you can give me 20 cowries, I promise to pay you back in the next full moon. Biko.
Obodo, I don't think I have up to that amount in my heart. Times are hard for all of us.
Okay. My brother, I understand that times are hard with everybody. When I because you want them. But
Obodo, are you trying to say that you don't have up to 10 calories in your heart?
If you want to insult me, go straight and insult me. Let me know that you just, or if you don't want to give me the money, tell me so that I will leave here.
It's fine. It's okay. I will give you what you asked for. But please, this is the last time I'm giving you.
I sincerely appreciate.
Let me go and get it.
You are the best brother. Hey, you are very, very useless. Stupid fool. Come on, what is 20 calories? You just want to insult me because of ordinary, useless 20 calories. Nonsense. You are lucky that you accepted to give me that money. Nonsense. Oh, there's but one name. My own brother. Oh.
This is what you asked for.
Hello. Thank you.
When are you paying me back?
My own lovely brother. Like I said, before the next full moon, I will pay you back your money.
No problem.
You're welcome. Hello. Hey, there's been one
Obodo Nibo, Koro.
Let me quickly go back so that I can pay the money.
No problem.
My regards to your family and everybody.
What are you doing here? What are you doing? Since you refuse that, you don't want to have sense. You don't want to have sense. Leave my Biachakube, how dare you? How dare you send my daughter to fetch water for you? Oebolugo! So because you could not give your husband a child, because you are barren, you now want to claim my own child. You now want to claim my own child. Omangalegi, it will never work for you. It will not work for you. If you want your own child, go and give birth. Leave my child alone. Biachisom, starting when? Starting when? You now fetch water for this witch. Hey. You now fetch water for this witch. You have not filled the jars in our house. You are fetching water for this witch.
But I filled everything in the house.
Shut up your mouth! You filled what? You filled what? Biachakube, if you want a child, go and get pregnant. Leave my child alone. Witch! Barren witch! Now you want to claim my own. It will not work for you.
My love. What is it? Why are you crying?
It's Ijenu again. Ijenu flogged Chisom for doing nothing. Right in front of me. When I tried to help her, she pushed me to the ground and insulted me. She called me barren.
My love, please. Don't let her words get to you. Ijenu speaks with wicked tongue. You know that. She's always looking for who to hurt. But remember, her words doesn't define you. The gods sees everything. They have their own time for everything.
How long? How long will I take this? How long can I take this, Obim? How long will I be mocked for not having a child? Every day same insults. Every day same words, same name, barren woman. I feel cursed.
No, my love. My love, you are not cursed. Okay? You are not. The gods haven't forgotten you. Okay? They taste the strongest of us with the heaviest burdens. When the time is right, we will have our own children. And those that mocked you will see us as blessings. All these pains will turn to joy. My love, please, stop crying. Wipe your tears.
I want to really believe this.
I want you to believe me, my love. I want you to believe me. The gods never forget those who endure with pure heart. Our own time will come. Okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Please, stop crying. Wipe your tears.
That woman in Bafo. She thinks she has everything. Bobo Oneko.
Imagine.
Oneko can do me. Oneko.
Oneko. She thinks she's better than us. Just because she has few goats.
Ordinary goats. Ordinary goats. Not like she has plenty land. Just goats.
Goat too.
No. Fukoi.
No, Nick.
Catching pounds.
You know what? Just one goat we need from her. We will sell it and clear all our debt.
Steal it.
Yes, now I got you one of our goat. I usually will. We will sell it. use the money and clear all our debts.
You are very correct.
I'm making sense.
See, this is why I like you. Sometimes your brain will start functioning. Sometimes your brain will just scatter.
My beautiful.
You are very correct.
Yes.
That means you have to wake up early in the morning.
Very, very early.
You will be in the front, I will be at the back.
Exactly.
Observing.
Yes. Very, very early. She likes sleeping very early in the morning. So
okay. She thinks she has arrived.
Yes.
I saw one of our goats that is pregnant. Let us steal that one. People will buy it expensive.
I prefer us stealing the one that is not pregnant. We'll sell that one faster.
No. Pregnant goods are very expensive because yes, people will buy it very expensive and will clear our debt. But if we steal one that is not pregnant, that one, money will not come out like that.
Okay. In that case, I am going to eat very small tonight so that I'll wake up very early tomorrow.
We are not eating anything. So make it pasta, otobo. Only food.
Okay.
We are talking about something that will benefit us now. For us to pay our debts, you're here talking about food.
Okay.
You're not eating anything so that you wake up early.
Accepted.
And you will go to bed early.
Accepted. Mana, Nka decider, you give me this one.
I'll give you what?
Nka decider. This one here.
That is the only thing you know how to do.
You are my wife.
Massage my leg. If you need cook.
Just because of goat.
Goat, ordinary goat. Yes. This is one of our goats. So there's no need of going to our hut. Untie it fast. Let's go now. Untie it fast. Let me be watching. Let me be watching. Be fast about it now. Oh, would you be fast now?
Nothing. The thing is that you are trying to steal my goat. No, we're not trying to steal the goat. And the thing is that there's no much grass here.
Yes.
I fear the rubber.
Yes.
There's not much grass. So we're trying to help you. Not to under that ukwoloma.
Yes.
Thief. There's not much grass here. I saw the rubber.
We want the goat to eat well.
We want the goat to be healthy. Leave my goat for me.
Okay.
Is it yours? Sorry. We're just trying to help
you.
Look at them.
We are not thieves.
Thief! Thief! Look at them! On warfare. Want to come and carry my goods? It's okay.
Mba for here has sworn by the gods that he saw you and your wife untying her goat. Is this true?
My elders, it's not true. I did not steal anything. In fact, I did not take the goat. I can't be punished over something I know nothing about.
I saw you with my own eyes. Untie it. The goats are my weakness. If I lie, let me die. You tried to steal my goat.
Come in. No, don't want you. Just hold on. Mbafo.
Nine.
Be sure of what you are saying before the elders.
Yes, nine.
Did you say you saw him with your two eyes?
Yes, nine. I saw him.
Untying your goat?
Yes, nine.
Untying your goat, and then you also told us that you saw him trying to steal your goat. Hold on. Are you saying he was trying to steal your goat or he stole your goat?
They stole my goat.
They stole your goat?
Yes, nine.
This is not the very first time. It is not the second time. It is not the third. In fact, we cannot count the number of times reports, complaints have come to us because of you and your wife. I mean, within 1 week, Within 7 days. Also, no, look, are you the only people in this community? Don't you have shame? No, what if
we've had you up to this level. My fellow elders, I am of the view that we take this matter to the Igwe. Because his disregard and disrespect for our tradition is above board.
Ichi, please help me and talk to them.
Well, problem with this boy. He will always be calling Ichi Okeze. Am I the elders? What have I done to you? Come back, since right from childhood. This boy has always... Can you remember what did I do to you? Did I send you to go and steal somebody's goat? Ah.
Ichi Okeze. Yes. Taking this matter to the king will attract severe punishment.
Yes. I think so. Because they have done more than enough. If you check their history, these people are good for nothing set of human beings. So they deserve even more than this. They must be taken to the king.
They deserve the punishment.
You understand? So they have done enough. They have done more than enough.
Oh, Bodo. My elders. You will apologize to Mbafo and clear her land as compensation. This is our judgment.
Yes. Yes. Also, you clear the farm, you cultivate for her.
Because please, it's too much.
You attempted to steal. The intent alone deserves punishment.
Yes. It's enough offense.
Except you are not okay with this punishment. Then you will get something that will be heavy. Very heavy for you.
Huh? Yeah, it's okay.
Look at two of you. You deserve each other. Trouble people. Always looking for a fight. Remember, one day the problem you are looking for will definitely find you. Are you mad? How dare you? Because we are working for you. And you are coming. I will give you that problem. Why are you talking too much? I will not work for you. I will not do your work. Why are you talking too much? I will not do your work. Because we are doing work for you. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. I will not do your work. You want somebody help me, Papa. Bring your mind. Let me eat this time. You will eat it. You will eat it.
I want somebody to assist me clear this farm. Okay, since Ofia has traveled, who else? Can you also go? Because I don't even know when he's coming back. Okay. Aha. I can't chef now. Obodo. Aha. I think Obodo can equally do this work. Let me even go to his place straight. Let me go to his place. I will give him the job to do, so long as he will not tell me stories at the end of the day. Let me go to his place. Hey. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey.
I hope all is well.
All is well. My name is Gonam. Mandine Jeje, Mandina Nana. Yes. Yes. I have a reason for actually being on the road at this time.
Okay.
I am looking for somebody who will assist me to clear my farm. Okay. And since Ophia has not been around, I don't know. But then I remembered you. I thought of you and I said to myself, you can equally do what Ophia can do.
Yes, I can do it. I can do it.
It's okay. The land is that one I have very close to the river.
Okay. That's your land.
Oh,
I know that land very well.
I want it cleared.
Good.
So that way,
So, Ichie, when do you want us to start work there?
There is no, if you ask me, ask none about Sonia go. So if you ask me, I will even say we can start today. Yes, let us start today.
Very, very fine, Ichie. I can even start now. Man, I must say, if you can give me part of the payment, Ichie, I can assure you here and now that my wife and I will be in that farm as early as tomorrow.
That is a very simple matter. Akwadol makwado wepụta maka na onye ọbụla efuru na-eje ohi nna ya duru ohi olusi ebe ọ na-eje ohi ọ na-eje akpa gbawa ebodo. The thing is that I am prepared.
Okay.
Yes, Kambia. As na mberede nyere dike mana mberede ka ya madu.
Tu agodi no umegeji afọ.
I have some cowries here. Because when I left with it because I know I can meet anyone anytime and I'm ready to commit the person.
Exactly.
It's all right.
Exactly.
Have this.
Okay.
No, have all of them.
Oh, okay. Okay. With this.
No, I'm sure this will enable you to start.
Yes, of course. Ichie, as early as tomorrow, my wife and I will be on that farmland. Before noon, we are done with clearing and everything.
Hope you do, man. Thank you very much. Hello. There is no problem.
Hello.
I've met you here. I think I have to go back.
Okay.
Ichie,
let me go. Ichie, mba,
money works for the blood.
Chisom, what is it?
My mother and father are fighting. They want to kill each other. Please come quickly.
Your parents are fighting?
Yes, you say?
Please come. Come, please.
Yes.
I thought you said they were fighting.
Hey! Enemies of progress!
Hey! You heard that we are fighting and you ran!
You better be
witness the fight! Look at this one! Barren witch!
Yes!
Instead of you to concentrate on giving your husband a child, consider giving him children!
You want to come and separate fight? Look at this one! You can't even present your wife!
Mind your business!
What are you doing here? Yes!
Concentrate on making him a father!
Yes!
What is your business? Even if we're fighting, get
Obasaragi, is it your business? What are you doing here? What are you doing in our house?
As for you, Chisom, Opage, Onoba, I will deal with you later. What are you still doing here?
Leave here. Leave our house. We don't want you here.
Perform your duty as a man.
Go and present your wife. Yes. Go and get it. You, this witch. She has taken all the children in her womb.
Look, always wearing red and red.
Yes. Onyamusu.
Red and red can't you nakovu.
Oh, Ndamusu.
Hey!
Ndamusu. Look at that.
Amusu. Go and get something for your husband.
Yes. Stop coming to our house.
Wait, are you sure? The question is dear man. Hey! Zoike. Bobu na ona akoge. Kita ke nyocha kite chokwe nyo oso.
I'm sorry, Nne. I'm sorry for all the harsh words my parents said to you. I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Chisom. You're just a child. I don't hold anything against you. The gods heard what they said. It is left for them to decide whether or not they would do anything about it. It's not your fault.
Oh, Malaysia, we Ijenu, You know what, my beautiful wife? For making me this happy, take this plate inside. I am taking you to that best bushmeat and palm wine joint. I want to go and surprise you there.
Ijenu.
Ijenu.
Are you serious? You want to take me out?
I want to go and surprise you.
Hey! Hey!
Ijenu.
You know you're a good man.
Yes, of course.
You're a very good man.
Yes, of course.
Manona go Dikeh patale genisi.
Oh, Ijenu.
You're no longer Otobo.
Just take these things inside. Let me go and surprise you.
You want to surprise me?
I have plenty calories. Are
you serious?
Yes, of course.
Today will be a good
day. I don't want
before Otobo go.
Otobo no no.
Little thing okro.
Hello jinjim. Okro go na nyema go na.
Okro dakwa.
Wo ge na nyenu go.
Hey, I'm telling you.
Come on, go. Man furu. Yes, no. Instead of me to die, let me vanish into the air.
This palm wine is fresh.
Very, very fresh.
Eh?
I promise you the best as my lovely wife.
You're taking care of me, my husband.
My brothers, I have something, a very wonderful story I need to tell you people. You see those times our village masquerade used to destroy people's farm, steal people's pot of soup, stealing goat and fish and all that. I was the one that stole those stuffs. Yeah, those pot of soup, but more Azuria.
One name. So you were the one that stole my mother pot soup?
Exactly. Oh, more Azuria. Drink up my wife.
One name. Obodo. Obodo.
Who is that? Is that Ogezie?
Something like that.
What, Obodo?
Ogezie.
You? Oh, here you are. Enjoying yourself, discussing, having a good time. You are supposed to be on the farmland that I paid you for. You're supposed to be working on my farmland at this moment.
Ogezie, are you aware that you are disturbing a beautiful moment I am having with my lovely wife here?
We should not enjoy ourselves.
If I may ask you, how much do you pay me?
Because you paid us for job.
No, are you the first person to pay me for me to
play in swamp?
Eh? What's the
problem? Nolumayo. Do you have money? I paid you and you are using the money I paid you to bring your wife to a palm wine joint. Okay, can you let me have the money now?
We are enjoying
ourselves.
If
you are too big that the money means nothing to you. Can you return the money here and now?
Okay, so go home. I will come and meet you later, or do not like in Wango. Hey,
hey. The money.
I don't have it here. I don't have it here. Don't disturb.
When will you give it to me?
Don't worry. You can go home. I will talk later. Go home. You are disturbing me and my lovely wife, please. We are having a beautiful moment together.
Somebody cannot even enjoy.
Mama.
Mama.
Mama, good morning. Hey, look at my children. Mama. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Chebube. Welcome. Hey,
Mama.
Oh.
Hey. Now we have come to present this to you as custom demand for new season.
Yes, Mama. We thought bringing plenty of food is the best way to start the season right.
This is too much. This is great. Hey! May the gods of our land bless you both.
Say.
Hey! Your barn will always overflow.
Say.
Your marriage will be fruitful.
Say.
Your home shall have no sorrow. Chekube, my daughter. The gods of our land will always fulfill your heart desires. Your kind heart will never be in vain.
Thank you, Mama.
Hello.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much.
I'm so proud of you.
We appreciate your prayers.
Hey!
Thank you.
And Mama, I hope you enjoy your food too.
Enjoyment, is it a small? This is huge enjoyment. I'm already enjoying.
Mama Biko, let me help you too.
Okay. Hello. Hey! Nah, I bring this one. Bring it. Hey, whoa! Hey!
Mama, good afternoon.
Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine now. Welcome.
I will tell you back
Yes. Yes.
for the new season.
Yes.
So this is the foodstuffs.
Yes, the foodstuffs.
We brought for you.
What is this?
Mbaji. Plenty mbaji.
Yes.
Eat so that you will not go hungry.
Is this what both of you could afford in this season?
Is there anything wrong with it? We brought plenty food stuff for you so that you will not go hungry.
Yes.
And Milaji.
So what should I call this?
Foodstuffs. Ijenu. We brought you plenty
Foodstuffs.
Mbaji. So that you will eat and not go hungry.
Yes.
Did we commit any offense?
Who said I am hungry? No, who told you people that Moria can even go hungry? Be calm, please. Take this thing out of my compound. Ijenu. Go and enjoy yourself. Oh, brother. Enjoy yourself.
I don't. What is the meaning of this insult?
Your mother is just too ungrateful.
You're so ungrateful.
What kind of a woman is this? Do you know the suffer? Our fighter, we goji. Kochaya goya, we buteregia. Do you know the suffer we went through? I don't blame her. When last did she go to farm? All she know how to do is to relax. That's why she does not value or appreciate us. I don't blame you at all.
Can you farm?
You're just too ungrateful.
Can you farm?
Why are you people shouting on my head? Yes, I am ungrateful. I don't want to eat. Oboku, Eri, Mama.
Let us go with our foodstuffs.
If you dare why you will not see us in your company.
Never.
Thank
You
you.
not
will never bring foodstuff here again.
Thank you. It's better like that. Oh, go with your sick yam. Even the yam is as sick as both of you.
Okay, the yam is as sick as both
of you. Let's go.
I'm just respecting her because she's your mother. I'm just respecting her.
You will never see us here again.
You don't come back again.
Ungrateful woman. Agro make again over.
Hey! Kaku kaku. Kakakukuka.
Afam, please now. Just add 2 more calories. This vegetable is too much for 5 calories. Please.
So I should add 2 more calories?
Yes, make it 7. Okay? Just look at
it's too much now.
Look at the quantity I'm going to give you. And they're all fresh.
But the one I bought last time is more plenty than this one.
No, now. Look at it. Okay? Very fresh. All for 7 calories.
Good morning. It's for sale. Very fresh. See you. They are for sale. Everything in my basket is for sale.
How much are your vegetables?
Manchuangu, hanchanine, they are for sale. And let me tell you something. They are all fertile. Even my basket is fertile. If you think I'm lying, buy from me. When you get home, plant it at your backyard. It will grow overnight. Oh, poor zibo. Almost go borrow mo benine. Buy from me.
So how much am I giving you?
It's just 10 calories. Both the basket, everything. But
I have 4 calories here.
Okay, bring it. 4 calories.
Okay, I should give you.
Bring it, no problem. Okay.
My mother will be pleased.
Thank you. Thank you. If you think I'm lying, when you get home, go and plant some at your backyard. You will see what I'm telling you. Everything about Ijenu is fertile. Even that basket you're carrying, everything around me is fertile. Everything about me is fertile. Everything about me is fertile. Unlike some barren witch that cannot open their legs very well and get pregnant for their husband. And they say fertility everywhere. Everything about Ijenu is fertile. Kiri, this one your face is like this.
Ijenu, I have discovered the next place we are going to steal from. In the shrine.
Okay, Nikwa.
Yes.
Sorry, come again.
I said I have discovered the next place we are going to steal from. In the shrine. Nabezemo.
Yeah. Are you sick?
I am not sick.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Oh, I say you want to die young.
I am not ready to die.
You want me to be a widow at my young age?
May the gods forbid.
So why do you want us to steal from the shrine?
Good.
Of all places, the shrine?
Yes, shrine. My love, I passed by Oji shrine. I saw plenty food items. Plenty. Like a goat, fowl, yams, plenty items. You know what they said? That all those items belongs to the gods. Eh? I keep wondering which stupid gods, which hopeless gods. Do they have mouth? The gods who want to can they eat? Can they cook?
Utubu, you are correct. Because the last time I checked, the ghost does not have mouth.
The
ghost does not have eyes.
They don't have eyes.
The ghosts are not even humans. They are spirits.
They don't even exist.
So why are people taking foodstuffs to the gods?
I am wondering.
You know what? I think we should help the gods and eat the
You are now talking as my wife.
We have to act fast.
Immediately.
Yeah. Go and be packing everything.
Like, look at. I see the girls look at the arms.
Let me carry this. Hey! Do you know why I'm in here? Why losing it?
Very useless good.
Yeah?
No. The girls Imagine what the gods want to be eating.
I don't understand.
Everybody go what the gods.
Gods somewhere.
Do they have mouth? I should be the one eating this year. I'm not the gods.
You go the gods. How will the good
Ada, won't you come and join us? Come and eat.
No, I want to go and see Mama Nupu.
No. Already?
Go. Gawa! I see Mama Nupu. Because let her not shorten the food. Although Mama Nupu nyani. Hey. I am not dizzy head. So we have to buy them.
Go and take it. I saw the need the girls. Hey, believe me, what the girls? Yo. I don't say anything. In Odaria? Did you hear that sound? Hey! Oh, video. Oh, video. My stomach. I thought they don't have eyes.
What happened to you two?
My daughter, I don't know.
My stomach is hot.
Okay, let him go and get the mat.
What do we want? What do we want? What do we want?
Ijenu.
Ijenu. I don't understand. When did this start?
Nah, we were eating.
I don't know that yours.
And I didn't know. Before you know it, our stomach
started hurting us.
Yes, you know. And we continue eating.
Before you know it,
our stomach started swelling. Onaza.
Your son. Your son caused it.
I don't understand this. Hey! Hey!
Hey, Ijenu. Ijenu. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Mama. Whatever it is wrong with them. Must be very serious. They've been crying since we got here.
Yeah.
I think they are stealing from the wrong person.
Hey.
This is not normal. The gods can only punish those who step on their toes.
Right.
My son, I agree with you. They must have meddled with what they shouldn't have. Who knows what they have done? Or who has done this to them?
We will not do anything.
Let's take them to
the shrine.
What
exactly is wrong with them?
No. We don't want to go there, please.
Please, remove all this shrine. That is more is fake.
It's fake.
I would suggest you should take us to another village, or better still,
yes,
invite another native doctor from another village to come here. But don't take us to Oji.
He's not a good person.
He's a fake.
He's
a fake.
Yes, he's a fake.
Hey. Another DB, eh?
Yes.
How can you suggest such a thing? Eh? Don't you know the state you are into? Bano, by the time we will take you from this village to the next village, you will die. It's a long journey to make. So we don't have to.
Okay, right. Let's take them to the shrine.
You just said that nonsense now. I don't blame you.
Ijenu.
Mama, hey, she's making mockery of me.
Why would you say such a thing?
Let's go.
Go. That is the only thing people know how to do.
Are they leaving us?
They should go. When you have balloon.
What's that? Are you leaving your balloon?
Let them go.
Let me ask you. If you keep behaving like this, who will help you?
You, of course. Are you not my mother-in-law? You are my mother-in-law and he's your son.
Yes.
So we are your responsibilities.
Yes.
You will take care of us.
Okay.
You help us. Jesus.
Hey. Sorry,
Jesus.
Sorry, my beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
Jesus. Come and help me. I want to ease myself. Oh. Come on. Come and help your mother. You go do anything. Come on. Come and help me stand up. Oh. I want to ease myself.
Come and help her, please. Come and help my beautiful wife.
Mama, if you haven't chased everyone away with your bad mouth, maybe someone would have come to help us. But look at you two now. I'm only stuck here with both of you.
Jesus.
Come and help your mother.
Jesus. Come and help your mother. I'm in pains. I want to use myself. You're telling me like that? You want to kill me? It's a little neggy. Oh, my body is paining me. Take it easy, please.
Mama, what do you expect me to do?
Yes, Nazu, don't eat neggy. Follow back. Yes, Nazu.
Come and help her.
Nazu,
go the back. Jesus, where are you? Hey.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Stand now.
Take it easy. My body is paining me now. Jesus, take it easy.
Mama, stand.
Jesus, don't kill my wife for me, please.
Jesus.
Hey. So where is the food?
Jesus, bring the food.
Chisom.
No.
Where is the food?
Your food is ready.
Jesus, go and help us now, please.
Because you know we can't feed ourselves. Please.
What happened to your hands?
My hands is paining me. I cannot even move my hands. Please help me.
Please. Biko. Don't do this to your parents. This is your parents.
You two are even lucky I'm doing this for you two. After all you have done for two people.
Please don't talk to your parents now.
Should have left you two to starve.
Please don't be rude to your parents. It's not because we're in this condition.
You know I'm...
Take. Open. Open.
Please now.
Mama. Papa, take. Papa, eat fast.
Okay.
I don't have all time.
Chisom, blow the yam. Please, it's too hot. It will burn my mouth. Please. Chisom, I'm your mother.
Mama,
Chisom.
take. I've blown the yam. Papa, open your mouth.
My love, please. We cannot abandon them like this. I know Ijenu's words are very cruel. But then again, let's show compassion. For the sake of Chisom.
Compassion? After what she said? After calling you barren in front of everyone? Now you want us to help them? They deserve everything that is happening to them. So please, allow me to talk about it.
Obim, I know what she said hurts. But it's not about her this time. Chisom is just a child. She has been taking care of them all by herself. If we leave them now, we will be punishing her indirectly. Please, Pico, for Chisom's sake, please.
For Chisom's sake. Just for Chisom's sake. It's fine.
Thank you. Can we go and see them now? Please.
Ijenu, you have finished me. Which kind of stomach is this? Gods of our land.
Please help me. I have done everything, but they keep getting worse. Please, I don't know what to do again. Please help me.
Who is that? Who is that? Oh.
Please help me, please.
My lovely brother, you are welcome.
You two are lucky that Chikube and Chisom begged on your behalf. If not, you will still be lying down here. We are taking you to Oji's shrine, whether you like it or not.
Please, my brother, Oji is not a good man. He's a bad person. Don't take us there.
Take them anywhere, please. I'm tired. Please, just take them anywhere, please.
Chisom, stay with your parents. Let's go and get help for your parents. Okay? Stay with them. We're coming.
Hey. What's it, my lovely brother? Where are you going?
I'm going to CJ.
Chokube?
Your lovely brother has abandoned you.
Chokube, our beautiful wife.
Meregere ekpochie. You are cursed. Your hands are stained with something that does not belong to you. You stole from the shrine. And to appease the gods, you have to bring 10 tubers of yam. 2 goats. Yes. And 7 fowls.
Because I know that the gods do not have mouth.
Oh, I want you be on a time. I happy ya. God of evil cause.
I told you people not to bring this man here. That is fake. Instead of him to tell us that he's hungry. What's he say? 10 tubers of yam.
Yeah. 7 goats.
7 goats. Who eats them? The gods do not have mouths.
They don't even have eyes.
They don't have eyes.
You can't even talk.
Who eats them?
Gbakọ hela mmadụ bara mmụọ. Mmadụ ejighị agbakwuru onye iro ya. It is done. The sacrifice has been accepted by the gods.
Thank you very much, wise one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You may now go,
Thank you, wise one. Thank you so much.
May the gods be with you, people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, Gbakọ hela mmadụ bara mmụọ. Mmadụ ejighị agbakwuru onye iro ya. Maka na sị na nwata bulie nna ya elu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo. Ọbịa.
This palm wine is fresh.
I'm telling you. I know, boy.
The meat, ọkpọrọ ọfụma.
Yes.
Mekwa ka gị taa.
My people, we know very well that some village enemies of progress are spreading rumors about us.
Calling us thieves.
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 Yes.
But let me tell you, we don't care.
We don't care.
We don't guinea. We don't care.
Whatever they say about us.
We know that we are not thieves.
Yes.
So if they like, let them spread the rumors round this whole kingdom.
Yes.
As long as to come and say it in our presence.
You know, people say that when someone is afraid of you, they always talk at your back. So when people
are afraid of you, they talk. They cannot at your
You know, in life, anything you do, people must talk.
Yes.
People must talk.
Yes.
Anything enjoyment, let us enjoy ourselves. One name, your palm wine is very fresh.
Ijenu mo, afọdụ nke n'anya mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ije mo, afọdụ nke n'anya mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ewesiga gị aka na mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ije mo, afọdụ nke n'anya mụ na gị ga-ebi. Ijenu.
Malupu, please save me.
Chisholm?
Malupu.
Chisom Ogene, what is it?
Please save me.
Chisom!
Yeah. Ijenu Ogene, what is
Come back
it?
here! Mama, release that child to me now.
I will not.
Ngwasam!
What has she done that you're chasing her like it?
Mama, this is between mother and child.
Gini Mezie, why are you chasing her like a thief?
Mama, what is your business now?
She's now under my protection.
Protecting
Sean.
Under your protection?
Yes.
No man, Kemu! My own child that I carried for 9 full moons. No, your protection. Chisom, you might give me now some.
Things are not done this way. She can never leave my back now. She can never leave here.
Mama, what is all this now? What is all this? I'm just respecting you, oh. Mama, I am only respecting you. Makanebu, Nedimu. If not. Mama, you know me. You know me very well. Chisom, respect yourself now. Follow me.
Stay here.
Mama. Mama.
You better beat both of us.
Mama.
No, beat us. Beat me.
Asukateza anya. Ekulu kata nisi guyoku, Mama. Asukateza anya, Mama. Chisom.
Biko. Ijenu.
You see it? Come here. You see what I'm saying? Up with that go. Up with Lugani. I've been warning you, telling you to leave my child for me. Ejo. Kitani wobela kametogi Iluana. Ida chai kunye. Follow. Kuagiya. Una.
Hey. Chimo. Ijenu. Hey! Ewo Ijenu me maru. Hey! Ofiawa, what kind of mistake Obodo my son made in marrying this woman? This is a miserable mistake of marriage. Hi! Asokwa.
We are not here to fight. We just want the right thing to be done. The money we use to appease the gods for you. Please.
Hey! Ijenu, it is only right to give us what we used for your sickness. Please, just give us our money back.
Lanya, listen.
Did somebody just talk?
I don't know. Like your husband said, he is not here to fight. We are ready to fight. In fact, we prefer fighting.
We're ever ready.
We don't want peace.
Oh, you're saying that, no.
After all, we did not ask you people to do anything for us. Leave our compound now.
Bam! Did we ask you people to help us? Mba! Did we ask them for help?
No!
So why are you, what are you talking about?
Yes.
Because me, I don't understand it. We should give you which money? We should give you which money?
Pay us back.
Pay you back how?
As simple as that.
Yes.
Do
you have any child?
Do you have any child that you are training?
Yes.
No! You should concentrate in making your wife pregnant for you. Channel this energy in getting your wife pregnant. Not coming to tell us that we should pay you. Barring people.
Yes.
Get out of this place.
Please, get out of our house.
Nonsense.
Okay, it's fine.
Get out! Look at everywhere smelling barrenness.
Go, please, just go.
Go! Now you messy. Barrenness. Smelling everywhere.
Go
and channel that energy.
Yes. Go and get your wife pregnant.
Osimu, we should pay. We should pay Guinea.
We are not paying any money.
Mama, we did everything for Obodo and the wife. We provided all we had to appease the gods. Now they refuse to pay us back. Why? Why, Mama?
And they're even acting as if they're not owing us.
Do you get?
They're acting like we did all of that for free.
My children, you will not understand. As a mother, I'm already tired of Obodo and his wife. Not only are they troublemakers, they are also ungrateful fools. Where do we start to carry them?
Mama, they should pay me my money.
They have to pay you. Because I will go to their hut and ask them what color is their problem.
Mama, please do. We suffered to provide those items Oji demanded. Honestly, it was not easy for us.
My son, please calm down. I understand. I really do. And I promise I will talk to them. Oh?
Mama, there is no problem. We should be going.
Mama, take care.
Please do not allow this to happen me.
No problem, Mama. Please tell them.
It's okay.
Obodo.
I will. Hi! Obodo. Where is his problem coming from? Where did he inherit this? Maybe it's from his name. Obodo. Obodo. What kind of name is that? Makasan has an essay so. Maybe his name is just working against him. Because I want the father when he wanted to name him Obodo. What is the meaning of that? But he refused to listen. Now the whole thing is bodoing on my head. I'm facing the consequences of his name. Obodo.
Ijenu, listen to me. Ijenu, don't try me this. See, don't even try me. Don't even. Ijenu, don't you.
Avoid you.
Avoid me.
You are very useless.
I am very
Everybody move.
Do you know the name of both of you? Diala. Two of you are seriously mad.
Oh.
That's what I'm seeing. Mad people.
Mother of a mad man.
Okay. Obodo. So after everything your brother did for you, after what he and his wife did for both of you,
yeah.
Now you refuse to pay back. Ogini?
Nne, let me ask you one question. Did I ask Osita to help me? In fact, Ijenu, did we ask Osita to help us? No! If Osita did that out of his own free will, why should he ask me to pay back? Why?
Instead of Chekube to concentrate on bearing her husband children,
Yes.
Who with the money?
Yes.
Okay, shut up you. Shut up. Because you still need training. You still need Obogu. You need training.
Mama,
you need training.
Mama, wait. I know that truth is bitter, but I will say it. Chekube is a witch.
Yes. Amusu.
Kobu.
Yes.
No, they benefit.
Yes.
She has eaten all the children in her womb.
Everything is gone. Yes.
Instead of you to concentrate.
The other one is not even potent.
I can see that. Even your next name is even concentrate. Yes, your next name again is concentrate. After mad woman. Just look at you. Look at you, Ijenu. Let me tell you, this world is not as you see it.
May the gods forbid.
Yes.
to bear her husband's children.
Yes.
Meanwhile, Chekube is not the bone of contention here. Do not try to wave it away. What I'm here for is for you to pay them back what they spent on you both.
Ondiro.
That's why I am here.
Ondiro.
We don't have
Ega, Nago, we have responsibility.
Yes.
What responsibility?
Yes.
What is your responsibility?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it's something. All this let us go and do it.
Even the people that fool their houses with children didn't see them. You are making one shouting on just one girl. I have not seen even a man. Nobody to replace this house. By the time you get to my age.
I'm going to at least I've given birth to one to show that I am fertile.
Yes.
To show that I am fertile.
Yes.
I am not here to help you run your madness. Run it alone. But let me tell you, Biko, you people should start paying now.
Paying.
Or I will summon the elders for you.
Yeah.
Even the gods or the entire community. Whatever it will take me, I will do.
No, you should have summoned Chukwu Abiam as well. You think I'm scared? Okay, put up my car. Let me tell you something there. If you put a gega.
Never. I am not paying
I want to thank you so much for all you did for my parents.
Chisom, we only did what was right.
Please, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Please take it easy on my parents. They are difficult people. Grandma always says you don't do a good favor until you do it for the people who doesn't repay you.
Come here. Chisom, your wisdom is way beyond your age. Thank you for understanding. We will think about what you just said.
Thank you.
Chisom, my daughter, you brought the wisdom of an adult. My daughter, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Chisom.
Take it easy now.
Okay.
You want to break my leg?
Sorry.
Ordinary massage. You're not able to
sorry, my love.
We don't know ki dem so ni.
My beautiful wife.
Organikwa.
Have you realized that people no longer call us for work?
Are you the one asking me this? How will they continue to call us for work? How will they continue to call us for work when we don't even deliver? They will bring money and give you. You will eat the money and still drag me along to fight them.
Ijenu. So I am now the one eating the money.
Are you not the one eating the money before?
So bad.
Don't you used to eat the money? You will eat the money for the work. You will not deliver. You will not drag me along to fight them. I don't blame you. See, it is better we change line of business, because in this life, when one door closes, another one will open. Okay. So it's better we look for another thing.
That's fine.
So
what are we going to do?
Let us start selling herbs.
That is the
medicine now. So let's start the business.
Very, very good.
You know that in this kingdom, people hardly survive without herbs.
Yes.
And they are going to patronize us.
You are
that one, I am always right.
You see, Ijenu. You see, Ijenu. You are my wife.
That is why you married me.
We think together.
We think together. Is this not my suggestion?
There is no
You
problem.
don't have anything on this your coconut head.
There is no problem.
The only thing you know how to do is to climb on top of me. You need to, you need me. That's the only thing you know how to do.
My love, it's okay, it's okay. You see this herbs business now. You will be the one to test it.
Leave my leg. Who will be the one to test it?
You will test it.
There is a herb you will prepare. That one. He used to do washing and setting. So we will test it on you. I forgot. We will know that we know what we are doing. Because this your stomach need to go down. You think I used to enjoy it? I don't used to enjoy anything. Anytime you climb on top of me, I used to. Don't you notice that I used to suffocate? Yes. So it's better you try so that it will stop making you to come fast. I get it from there. Illegal men can have been too much.
Yes, they are the same now. You said I should bring more of this.
Oh,
okay.
Yes. You would take it too. We need fertility oil.
Fertility oil?
For barren women.
You said I should add fertility oil. You are the one that said I should add that one.
Yes, now. Bring it. Block it.
We need this very one. We need the root of this one. No.
Just block it.
See, look at the mborogo here. We need this mborogo.
This one is for fertility.
Yes.
This one is for bagaba.
See this one. Okay.
We think bagaba. Chobia. We take nke bagaba nke we gonye nwucha ono nenu nwunye no ta aka. Iya anwukwu ya, you will take it o. Chekwube nwunye di mo. Ijenu. I brought you something, Chekwube. I noticed that it's not like I noticed. I know that you have been battling to conceive. So I brought you these herbs to drink. It will conquer your barrenness. It's not like it's my business. I'm only trying to help. Ngwan, have it. Buru?
Ijenu.
Yes?
How dare you?
Ogenekwa.
How dare you walk into my house and insult me? I have had enough of this nonsense. You better stop it. Is it my fault that I cannot conceive? What's all this?
I was only trying to help. Look at someone I'm trying to help. I see you enjoy being barren. You enjoy your condition, right? No problem. No problem. I'm sorry for coming to disturb you. I brought you herbs that will conquer your barrenness. And you're here shouting at me. Out of my niceness, so I should not be nice to Munyedim. You are here. See it as an insult. I am not insulting you. I'm only concerned that you should give your husband a child, though. White. It's not when you grow white hairs. That's when you bear your husband a child. That is why I brought these special herbs for you to drink. So that it will conquer your barrenness. But I say that you don't want to conquer the barrenness. I shall take my leave. You don't want to conquer the barrenness. You have been carrying around for years. No problem.
Ofuji Nwogike, you see these very herbs. After taking it tonight, you will last longer on bed with your new married wife.
You don't mean it?
Yes, I am serious about it. Just take it. Don't get it before you start your job as a man. A man now.
You mean?
before you die by any horror.
Now I'm sorry.
Yeah. Your wife, your new wife, will testify to this. Yes.
Oh, testify.
This one is
oh, this one.
Is 3 cow this now. You are giving me only. Ofuji. You will testify to this. In fact, your new wife will testify to this.
How will she testify for you instead of me?
Man, I eat before you take it.
I'm getting it.
Who make it for now?
Nam ga esi agbo. Ihe nga ekuya. Nga asa akpọ. Ka m were ga.
This is for cleansing. Nyam ucha na nzacha. It will cleanse your entire body. Should in case you have done abortion 1 or 2 times. I don't know. To fear again. Abiko. Take. It will cleanse your entire body. You need it.
Exactly. This is what I need.
Oh, this is what you need. This is how you'll be taking it. Very early in the morning. Itachalo.
Obele.
Inwa. If you want to go to bed, Tachalo. Inwa. You drink. Okay,
the money.
Oh. It's a give for dash again.
I'll break it later in the evening.
Listen, I do not joke with my business.
I know now. I know you
I
very
don't
well.
joke with money.
I know you very well now.
You know how much? 10 calories.
Ewo. Obo can call 5.
10 calories.
You
don't know what I gave to you. What's an answer?
So bad run.
I don't want to wait for you. Where do your mother? She has done abortion like 2 times or even 3. Because this is exactly what I need. Which in a mamma. Can't you get an ego?
What is even happening to me? My stomach. My stomach.
This is the 3rd time. What did you not give me to drink? Oh, because of our land, please help me.
Hey,
Again, why are you looking at us like that?
Are you not ready to give my money to me?
Again, why?
It's okay, you may go.
Give him that small one.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay. Madam.
What is this?
Egon.
This is not even half of my money. You, listen. Weeks have passed. And this is all you could get.
That is what we
Give it back to me.
Papa.
Since you don't want the money.
Okay, so if you don't want to collect that one, give it back to me.
Okay, Zio, or whatever they call you, I don't even care to know. The thing is that we now sell herbs.
Yes.
Can you do gaka? Now I will need to eat your gondo. Come and buy from us.
Yes.
No time for any word. See, birds can fly across. Then the hunters, they have their choice.
Come and buy.
Listen to me. It is you I know, Obodo. It is you I know. You are the one owing me. So I have no time to listen to this one. I don't have anything with this woman. It is you I know. I am telling you, you have few days, you have 4 market days as a matter of fact to bring my balance. If you don't, I will take this matter to the shrine.
What is shrine?
You think we are scared of shrine?
Come and buy help.
You think we are scared of shrine?
Come and buy him for
God.
so that you will last long.
Before the shrine.
And when you get me,
We are not scared of shrine.
Let's go it.
I'll tell you shrine. Oh, Bodo.
It's you.
Oh, Bodo.
My elders.
How many times have I called you?
2 times.
We elders of the land have been receiving complaints. Please, what is this herb that you are selling that is making people fall ill and purging them?
That's very good. It's supposed to purge them. It's a sign that the medicine is working very well. My elders.
Let me tell you. You are medicine or herbal medicine or whatever you call it. It's causing more harm to our people than good. That's why they are complaining. Welcome.
Each year, I want you to forget about everybody that is complaining about my herbs. It's not good to them. Those people are enemies of my progress. Yes.
Have you taken the herbs yourself?
Why should I take it? Am I sick? I am strong, so there is no need of me testing the herbs. Yes, I am okay. Yes.
Listen to me. You must take it, though. You see those herbs? You must take them yourself. But can I not say? Only listen you be mad. Osichana neta yose. Ko amari siben ko ye be osichako neta enu. When you are making food for somebody, you must test whether the pepper is normal. And so if somebody is making food for you, that person will equally test whether salt is normal. So you must take that herbs. Now I want to tell you this. Listen. We have decided to let you know that we want you to stop selling it to them. Upon the help stop. Listen. You must stop selling it to them. Stop it, Fusia.
For what? For what? You have no right to tell me how to handle my business. Who are you to tell me to stop?
Enough!
Who are you?
Have some respect. Who are you, boy?
Aha! It's here. Okay, here. Okay, here. How many times did I call you? Stay away from my business, okay, here. If not for one thing, okay, here, I would have descended on you right here.
You would have descended on me.
Yes!
You?
Yes, I would have descended on you here now.
It's like you have gone mad. You are out of yourself. You no longer have respect for elders. Okay,
sir.
You have grown to the extent that you can point into my face. You can challenge the gods, you.
Okay, sir. Are you talking back at me? Okay, sir. I swear with this idea, one more word from your mouth, I swear. I will just finish you here now, okay, sir. No, one more word and I just go him down. Are you mad? Nonsense. Just one more word now. Let me finish you here now. Nonsense. Useless man.
Oh, this rat has grown wings, has gotten the liver to challenge elders, to insult elders. My very self, Okezie inclusive, he has grown to the stage of challenging the gods.
Mama, you remembered something. Mama, have you seen Obodo and Ijenu selling those that so-called herbs? Mama, I wonder how people keep up with those that evil lies.
The herbs they gave Dike's son nearly killed him. He's been plucking for days. If you are not careful, that man will send us all to the land of the dead.
May the gods forbid. Mama, we need to do something. We need to do something before others keep suffering like this, Mama.
Miss Chonu! What is the problem? Uchechi, mind your business. Oburu and his wife are too dangerous. They will turn the villagers against us. Uchechi, be careful. Please let us go. You are talking. Be careful. Uchechi, be careful.
Geba, come here. Where have you been? I sent you on an errand since morning.
I went to get something for Nnechekube.
Osi? What did you just say? Chisom?
I went to get something for Nnechekube.
Why? So you now prefer Chekube over me, your mother?
No, Ne. No, Ne. I just want to get something for her, nothing else.
Eh? And you did that without telling me? Chisom? Since morning! Since... Come back here! Carry these herbs. Go and sell it for me. Make sure you collect my money. Make sure you collect my money.
But Mama, people are complaining about the herbs.
People are complaining about the herbs. Listen to me, Chisom. Once you sell the herbs to anyone, collect your money face front. Whatever the person is saying is none of your business. Do you hear what I said? This is the wrong one in case Hachon Kediro. Yeah. Go you want to carry it on your head, on your hand, anyone? Go and do what I asked you to do. After I'm good, what I could have done, man, needed you for. Sonny, people are complaining about the herbs. What is my business? My own is for you to bring money home. You will not have a when you Mayan. Come here. Where have you been? I sent you on an errand since morning.
I want to get something for Nne Chekube.
Osi? What did you just say? Chisom?
I want to get something for Nne Chekube.
Why? So you now prefer Chekube over me, your mother?
No, Ne.
No,
Ne. I just want to get something for her, nothing else.
Eh? And you did that without telling me? Chisom? Since morning! Come back here! Carry these herbs. Go and sell it for me. Make sure you collect my money. Make sure you collect my money.
But Mama, people are complaining about the herbs.
People are complaining about the herbs. Listen to me, Chisom. Once you sell the herbs to anyone, collect your money face front. Whatever the person is saying is none of your business. Do you hear what I said? Ini Edo! This is the wrong one in case Hachon Kediro. You want to carry it on your head, on your hand, anyone? Go and do what I asked you to do. After I'm good, what I could have done, man, needed you for. Sonny, people are complaining about the herbs. What is my business? My own is for you to bring money home. You will not have a gum.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see the beauty of this life, a gift from the gods.
Sit.
Oh, you were always there in times of want and needs.
My love, what is it? You look very happy.
Obim, I am pregnant. The midwife confirmed it today. All we've prayed for, the child we've been waiting for has finally come.
Thanks the gods. They have blessed us after our prayers. Today is my happiest day. Thank you very much, my love. Thank you.
Obim.
My love.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for loving me and understanding me while we waited. Thank you so much.
My love, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Aha! Obi nwoke ezukwa n'ike. Now my mind is relaxed. Ekwu ogene. Thanks to the gods. Thank you very much. You're wonderful.
Thank you.
You're wonderful, my love.
Chisom, stand up and take this help, son.
She cannot even stand up. Just Chisom, sit up a little.
Sit up.
Take. Papa, I don't want this help. I don't want to
Drink.
Makageni. You don't want to take the herbs.
You don't want to take.
But you know how to fall sick. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. But why you no?
Please.
Open your mouth.
Come on, open that. Open that your mouth.
Chisom.
Wait.
You know how to fall sick, but you don't want to take herbs. Chisom.
Please, Papa, please.
But why you no?
But what? You're born again.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Come on, take this.
Why you no can
take it?
Open your mouth. You know how to fall sick, but you don't want to take herbs.
This is very one. You must finish it.
I don't understand this.
Come, my pound. My pound, get here.
Open your mouth and take that thing. I'm not talking this. No, look at Look at my body.
Let me go and bring something and clean you, my lovely wife.
You don't want to take medicine, but you know how to fall sick. I'm
coming.
Bring something, let me clean everywhere. Take you see what time here now. No. But you know how to fall sick. You good at real.
Come on, lie down and sleep. I'm going to go now. Lie down. Stop looking at me. I'm going to go now.
No, what is it?
My stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurts. Hey, Chicken could take me. Oh, Obodo!
Huh?
Ijenu. Bia, because some tell could they will million mammy and name one?
What is it?
Chisom.
My daughter.
Chisom. Go and get water for her.
Will you eat one?
Chisom.
I'm coming.
Bring water for her.
The herb is working.
That herbs is harsh.
It's working. The herb is working.
Chisom.
I have lost it.
Obodo!
What is it?
Obodo!
You can't be serious.
She's no longer breathing.
You don't know what you're saying. My daughter. Adam. Obodo.
She's no longer breathing.
Chisom.
Hey! Obodo! She's no longer breathing, Obodo! Chisom, don't do this to your mother, please. Don't do this to your mother. Chisom, Chisom, please stand up. Obodo, say something. Chisom, stand up, please.
Hey! Chisom. It's your fault. You caused her death with your useless acts.
It is your son's fault. It is your son's fault because I warned him. Mama, I swear to you, I warned him not to give my daughter that help. But you didn't want why. But why you can be? He forcefully gave her those herbs. And now she's gone. I'm telling you, man. Don't focus this. Hey, Chimo. Hey! My enemies will laugh at me. My only child. The only child that made me a mother. My only child that proved to my enemies that I'm not barren. Hey, my only child that I carried in my womb for 9 full moon. Chaya, Chiputia, Obelu Mawa, I carried her. Topo ilabutagomo, topo. My only child that proved to my
Nagije buonum. Someone in a limb, but I'm gonna bow. Oh, God, you have finished me. Oh, you have killed me. Hey! Hey!
I am now childless.
Hey!
Obodo.
Obodo.
Osita, my brother.
Hey!
I am now childless. You have succeeded in killing my daughter. Ijenu. Awi bugia.
Okay. Chisom. Yandiba.
What am I going to do?
Yandiba. Chisom.
My love. Our child is almost here. And soon, we'll carry them in our arms.
I can't wait. I'm sure our child will be a source of blessing and happiness to us.
Yes. Let me go and prepare a delicious meal for you. You deserve the best.
Oh, Beam. Thank you.
You're welcome. I am so fulfilled as a man.
You are a man.
Yes. Okay. Let me go and make something for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Tell me where do I go from here? I have lost it all. I have lost it all. My mistakes has got hold of me. Where do I start now?
Chekube.
Where do I
Unye
go?
dimu.
Oh my
Chekube unye dimu.
the only
Chekube. Onye. Who's that? Oh, Unye Digi. It is me. One more. Look at how beautiful you look. Chekube, pregnancy really looks good on you. Hey! I'm so happy for you. Congratulations once again.
Ijenu.
Yes.
And what is it?
It's not like I'm having guilty conscience. So, it's just that I came to tell you that I'm sorry for everything. You see, the gods are not really deaf. The gods have ears and they can hear. You see all those heavy insults I used to rain on you those days. Hey! The gods used to hear me. They used to hear everything. And that was why they got angry with and answered your prayers. Yes, the gods have ears and they can hear. You see all those insults I used to rain on you. They heard everything. And they answered you. They got angry and gave you a child. You see? All thanks to me. All thanks to me. But that is not the reason I'm here. I am here to make things right. I'm tired of these quarrels, malice, keeping malice up and down. I'm tired. Everybody is now avoiding me in this kingdom. I'm tired of everything. I just want to make peace with everybody. Starting from you, Edim, please. I know that you are angry with me for everything I said to you. Those mean words. Please forgive me. Please.
I am not the gods that decides fate. I'm not angry with you.
Really?
No, I'm not. In fact, I forgive you. Yes, everything is now in the past.
You have forgiven me.
Hey! Upwa! I cannot wait. I cannot wait for you to give birth. Don't worry. I am a changed person now. Yes. I no longer make troubles again. I don't want problems anymore. Please, let everything be in the past. Oh, let us live in peace.
It's okay. It's all in the past.
Thank you.
Let's sit behind.
Come. You have a beautiful heart. My husband.
Malisham.
I have a good news for you.
Good news for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is the good news? Is it business idea?
My husband, you want business, eh? You like Ikego. Okay. I'll tell you.
Talk to me.
I'm few weeks gone. My husband, I'm pregnant.
You are lying.
No, I'm serious. The midwife confirmed it.
Hey!
What?
Yeah, we are expecting another baby.
Yes, we're expecting another child. I'm so happy.
Because of our land. The hollow one.
My husband.
This child will bring us consolation.
You say, and my husband, I want us to stop making troubles in the village. Please. I don't like the way people are running away from us because of our too much troubles. I want us to start all over again with this, our baby, that is on the way.
Obim, I am promising you here and now, I am not going to look for anyone's trouble again in this kingdom. It's a promise.
Thank
no
you.
more fighting.
No more quarreling. I don't want us to fight again as well. We shouldn't be fighting each other. We are husband and wife.
Okay, listen. I promise you, I am not going to fight you again. We are not going to quarrel again. It's a promise.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ijenu, I really can't believe that both of us are expecting children the same time. It's like fate brought us together for this.
Yes. I feel so excited. How does Osita feel about this whole thing?
Funny enough, he's been calm about it, but he's been overly protective this period.
I can imagine. You will not blame him. Even Obodo is so excited.
Do you know? Osita feels he's going to be the best father in the world.
I believe so. He will make a good father. You know he's a good man.
I know.
You married a good husband.
I know. And also, Ijenu.
Yes?
We should put hands together to raise our children with love, with values, and good beliefs.
I'm a changed person now. You don't need to tell me all that, okay? No more selling of herbs that will hurt people. No more making troubles. Everything
Everything is going to be all right.
I believe you. I
Everything
believe
is going
you.
to be fine.
Oh.
Mama, oh.
Hey! Look at my daughters-in-law. Wonderful.
Mama.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Look at how beautiful you are two are looking.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings in them. You are welcome. Oh, Ijenu.
Mama.
Mama. You both are not looking bad at all.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Mama, we heard that you want to see us. So we came.
And we didn't come empty-handed. We brought those stuffs for you too.
Only for you.
My daughters.
Yes, Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank
May the gods continue to bless you.
you.
Hey! No.
Thank you, Mama.
Ijenu, like you said, there's always something to share. But first of all, I have to greet my expectant mothers. So how are my children doing in this stomach?
Fine, oh, Mama. Fine.
Mama, my child is strong. His kicks are becoming too fierce enough for me to fall down.
A very strong man
Yes,
he will
Mama.
be. Yes, and this also a very strong man. Yes, so you're welcome. Oh,
Thank you, Mama.
may the gods bless you. This child will be a blessing to this kingdom. And this too. There will never be any root of shame or disgrace. May the gods continue to protect you from any wickedness, from any evil. And my grandchildren will never die young again. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Can you
Let me
lick
help
our
you.
Achọrọ m isi ofe onugbu.
It's okay.
Asụgo m akpụ nụ.
Okay.